Hello everyone, welcome to SimplyGIS YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create virtual raster or composite bands in QGIS and also create true color composite and false color composite using Sentinel 2A MSS satellite images. I have imported Sentinel band 8, band 4, band 3 and band 2. In Sentinel, band 8 is the near infrared band, band 4 is the red band 3 is the green and band 2 is the blue. As we all know, for true color composite, we designate red as the red band, green as the green band and blue as the blue band. It will create true color composite where the image will appear as they are on the ground. But in false color composite, we shift the band where near infrared band is designated as red band is designated as green band, and green band is designated as blue band. So in this RGB, NIR, R and green are used, creating a false color composite. The band composition is known as different names in different softwares. In QGIS, it is called as virtual raster. In ArcMap, it is called as band composite or composite bands. In ERDAS Imagine, it is called as layer stacking. All are same function. As I am using QGIS, in QGIS, creation of false color composite and true color composite is known as creating virtual raster. So these are the four bands with which I will create true color composite and false color composite. And this is the single tile. My area of study is this yellow boundary. It is Muzaffarnagar district of Uttar Pradesh state in India. So let me first create the band composition or virtual raster. In QGIS, to create virtual raster, let's go to raster, then miscellaneous, then build virtual raster tool. You can get this tool by searching in the processing toolbox also. Type virtual raster. Then you can see under the gdal command, it is raster miscellaneous, build virtual raster. Both are the same. Let's click on it. So here is the raster miscellaneous build virtual raster. So it is asking for input layers. Let's click here and you can see all the bands are arranged chronologically. Let's select all and click OK. Then it is asking for resolution. So four tiles are combined together. The digital number values will be given as average. Let's keep it average. Then check this box, place each input file into separate bands. Tick here. As a result, all the layers will be considered as individual separate band. Then give all the option as it is. Now at the bottom there is a virtual space and here it is asking for the saving the file. Let's go to save this, click here and save to file. And in save to file, you should save it. So it will create as virtual raster file. Let's name it virtual raster. Okay, save it. Now run it. So you can see here the virtual raster has been created. I'm unticking the existing file, zoom to virtual raster. You can see this is the tile it has come, and let's check it out the properties. And as we saw that band 2 was considered as band 1, band 3 was considered as band 2, band 4 was considered as band 3rd, and band 8 was considered as band 4. The true color composite of Sentinel 2A MSS satellite images is 432. So band 4 is the 3. So I will select red band as band 4, 3, and green band is the 2, and blue band is the 1. So band 3 here is the red band. Band 2 is the green band. Band 1 is the blue band. Apply it. So you can see this is the true color image. Let me zoom it. This is the city of Muzaffarnagar. You can see that it is the image is appearing as it is on the ground, as if you are looking from the sky, where the agricultural fields are green, and this is the water body. These are the green vegetation, and these are the barren land you can see here. These are the agricultural field where crops are not there, and greens are the agricultural fields where crops are there. These are the road lines you can see here. This is the city built up area, the whole city, and you can see in the northern part of the city there are vacant lands are there. Here is the river, you can see the water of the river. This is the dam. So this is known as true color composite. It is appearing as it is on the ground. Again, let's go to properties. I will create the false color composite. I told you in false color composite, we don't need second band, band 2 or blue band, where the NIR band, that is the band number 8, and here band number 4. Band number 4 is considered as the red band, and band number 3 is considered as the green band, and band number 2 is considered as the blue band. Let's click apply. Okay, you can see this is the false color composite, where the green areas are look appearing as the red, because red has been assigned to the green, and the dark red areas are the NIR area, they are appearing red. Okay, so as again I am going zooming it, you can see the city built up area has changed, and these are the water body, and these dark red patches are the green vegetation, and the pink or pinkish red color are the agricultural field, and these gray are the vacant agricultural field where there are no crops, and these cyan colors, these colors are the uh, built up area, as you can see here. Now, I showed you both true color composite and false color composite by creating virtual raster in QGIS. Now, I will subset the virtual raster or band composition or composite layer for my area of study. For that reason, let's go to raster, extraction, clip raster by mask layer. So, input layer here will be the virtual raster, and the mask layer will be the Muzaffarnagar AOI, the area of interest of my study area. Then let's go to assigned a specific node data value 0. Okay. Save this file, Muzaffar virtual raster, save, run. So you can see my virtual raster has been clipped, and let's zoom to it. You can see this is the virtual raster clipped for my study area. Now go to properties. As you can see, the color symbology has changed. Again, I will set band 8, band 4 is the red, 3 is the green, 2 is the blue. Apply. Now you can see this is false color composite. So in this way, you can create virtual raster or composite bands and clip the composite band with your area of interest. And this data can be used for further processing like supervised, unsupervised classification, or any other kind of uses. SimplyGIS is offering 6 months course on basic of remote sensing and GIS. You can visit our website simplygis.in and check details about the course. It is a 6 month course. The classes will be held online on Saturday and Sunday. The time is flexible. Here is the registration form. You can click and register yourself. This is the detailed course structure. For more videos on remote sensing and GIS and tutorials of QGIS and ArcMap, please subscribe our channel SimplyGIS and also click on the notification icon. There are playlists on QGIS and ArcMap. You can check them.